Hi there, and thanks for joining me. So if you're looking to trade options for the first time and you don't really know where to start, and you're looking for strategies or someone to follow, then you're going to want to stay and watch this video, because in this video I'm going to reveal a very simple option strategy that you can follow, so you can just trade one stock over and over again to make profits with options. Now, Jeff Clark, who is one of the top options trading experts in the world, runs a company called Jeff Clark Trader, who specializes in options trading. Now, Jeff Clark has got a long career in options trading, and he trades options in a very simple but very specific way that I'm going to talk about in a minute. Now, if you don't know what options are, I'll just explain very quickly what options are so you're kind of up to speed. So options trading is actually a way that a trader can use to reduce their risk. A lot of novice traders, they trade options wrong. They'll take an options contract out multiple times on the stock and get greedy, and when that option goes wrong, they owe a lot of money. But Jeff Clark Trader doesn't teach that. His options trading strategies are designed to reduce risk but increase profits. And there's basically three ways you can profit from options trading. You can profit when the stock goes up, you can profit when the stock goes down, or you can make a profit when the stock is going sideways. So in many ways, options trading gives you multiple ways in order to make a profit, because most people in the stock market, they only really make a profit when stocks are going up, but they can't really, they don't really make a profit if stocks drop. If they're holding that stock, if you hold a stock and the stock market drops, you will lose money. But options trading isn't like that. You can move and make a profit on a trade in three ways, and that is why options trading is great. And it's great for this where we are in the markets. We're in a bear market. The stock market's going all over the place, and obviously a lot of people are losing their money. A lot of people are pulling the market out of stocks because they're panicking. So yeah, never a better time to really get into options trading. So what I'm going to do, Jeff Clark, this is his members area. Him and his team write a load of special reports. And this strategy here, the One Stock Retirement Blueprint, which lays a specific options trading strategy out step by step, is his specific strategy of how he trades just one stock time and time again to make a profit. Now, Jeff, he only really trades a couple of stocks. And one of sort of Jeff Clark's sort of mantras is that you don't want to overcomplicate your trading. You want to keep it very, very simple. And you really want to specialize in a couple of stocks. And the One Stock Retirement Blueprint is Jeff's options trading strategy of how he looks for specific signals in the market, where he will trade options or an option on that stock time and time again for profits. And the great thing about this strategy, it is not risky. You can take an option out for $100 and you can make decent profits on that option. Now, obviously, I can't sort of give you the full blueprint because people are paying for this. But basically, Jeff uses options to trade one stock time and time again in order to make a profit whether the market rises or falls. And quite often you can take that option out for only $100. So it's very, very simple to get started. But Jeff has lots of other strategies as well. He's found a strategy of how you can trade Bitcoin without actually buying Bitcoin and make 10 times more gains from a regular brokerage account. But this is probably Jeff's top strategy. I love this strategy because it's so simple. It's very low risk, but you can make really nice profits doing it time and time again. So this is Jeff Clark Trader's options trading sort of advisory service. If you're a beginner looking to get into options trading, Jeff Clark Trader is a great person to follow, and it's a great service to join. Now, seeing I've given you a bit of a sneak peek of what options are and give you an idea of a specific option strategy you can play, I'm just going to run through Jeff Clark Trader very quickly to show you what you get and you can decide whether Jeff Clark Trader is right for you. Now, if you stay to the end of the video, you're going to fall off your chair when you realize the cost of this. You know, a lot of options trading courses run into the hundreds, if not thousands. And literally, this is such a great, the cost of this is accessible for anyone, and it's great if you're a beginner because it gives you an entry point to follow an expert in order to get started with options. So what I'm going to do is going to run through this very quickly so you know what you're going to get. So basically, you get the monthly newsletter and all of the updates. So basically, when Jeff and his team make a buy or sell recommendation on an option, you'll be notified here. But there's also a monthly newsletter that goes out. Now, this is my favorite part, where Jeff lays out all of his specific options trading strategies in all of these reports here. Very easy to read, very simple, and you literally follow them as you go. There's all sorts of reports here with slightly different strategies that you can follow. Very user-friendly. There's the portfolio, but I'm not going to click into because obviously people pay for this, so I can't show you. And you've got a complete training center. So if you've never traded an option in your life, there's a complete training suite with all the videos of all the different options you can trade, how to trade them, how to set up a brokerage account, so you can get up to speed trading options fast. This really is the ultimate resource if you're a beginner or a novice options trader and you want to follow an expert, learn how to trade options, but also get stock, recommendations in order, what to buy with options and the strategies to follow when buying them. So yeah, so just very quickly, I've been a member now of Jeff Clark Trader for a couple of months. I'm no expert at options trading. I'm more into crypto, but decided to get into options because it reduces my risk and you can profit whether the market rises or falls. And there's all sorts of, you can trade virtually any stock asset or any asset with options. So it made a lot of sense for me. And I love Jeff Clark Trader. I've been sort of going pretty slow with it. I've been learning, what options are, how to trade them. And I'm soon going to be placing my options trades because I've been taking this slowly. I just really want to understand what it's about. But I love Jeff Clark Trader because his strategies are very simple to follow. They're very user-friendly, great for beginners. I'm a beginner options trader. I'm by no means an expert, and this is a great resource for me. So how much is Jeff Clark Trader? So normally Jeff Clark Trader, you'll be paying $199 a year because this is a yearly service. But you can join Jeff Clark Trader today for only $19 and you get all of this that will get you up to speed with options quickly. You can go as fast as you want or slow as you want. All of the information and support and recommendations is here for you with Jeff Clark Trader. Now, if you want to give Jeff Clark Trader a try, I'm going to link to this page down in the description. Just come to this page, click the button. You can read more on the following page, and on the following page, you'll be placing your order to buy Jeff Clark Trader. And $19 locks in your membership for a year. And you can try Jeff Clark Trader out. If you don't like it, you get 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you get your money back. But for $19, if you're a beginner or novice options trader, or even an intermediate, definitely give Jeff Clark Trader a try. It is a fantastic trading resource if you're interested in options. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. Hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.